Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. And today I am Rudolph, kitty cats, and dogs. And you probably can't see, but I'll show you. Here's the doggies. Just showing you. Here's the kitty cat. And here's the dogs. And here's my Rudolph. Now in today's video I'm going to show you something that I do. Just a little extra gift that I throw in for the people that get presents from me. And this is something I do every year. And the reason I do it, there's a couple of reasons why I do it. Number one, it recycles. It recycles your toilet paper tissues and then any small pieces of Christmas wrapping paper you can use. And it's just a way of giving a little extra gift. So you're recycling. You're recycling and you're using up extra pieces of tissue paper. And here's what I do. Take your little tube. Oh, and by the way, I wanted to show you. Remember the ornaments I got in my Dollar Tree roulette? Here's how I did them to attach to presents. Okay, back onto this. Then you take a few pieces of candy. It doesn't take much. You don't have to put a lot of candy in there. Put it inside. And you don't even need tape to do this. Get your candy to stay in there. Put this kind of centered. Make sure you got it even. As even as it can. And then roll this tube a few times around in the tissue paper. Crunch the ends up. Now you could tape it if you wanted to, but I'm using a piece of crochet twine in green color. And you're going to tie that on there a couple of times. Tie it pretty tight. And then any extra strings, I just kind of cut them off so that it looks a little neater. Then you have this little tiny package of candy. And I just throw these in the gift bags to the people that get presents from me. And when I worked at the donut shop, I made up a whole bunch of these and put them in a bowl, set them up by the cash register. And then when people came in and paid for the donuts, they grabbed one of the little presents out of there. And this is how I tape the little Christmas ornaments to the package. Now, it would look a lot prettier if you were to tie this like in a bow, but I just stuck it on there like that. Thank you for coming today and viewing the video, and y'all come back and see us any old time. Bye for this one.